BioHitech Cloud has the ability to translate your diversion efforts using the EcoSafe digester into measurable environmental impact. To view these detailed environmental measurements, click the Eco-Contributions link on the left-hand side of your screen. The top part of your screen shows you a summary of your eco-contributions, while the bottom portion shows the detailed view of these statistics by location. Use the drop-downs at the top of the screen to change your reporting time period or your location. Eco-contributions are calculated using the Environmental Protection Agency's Warm Reduction Model and the Greenhouse Gas Equivalencies Calculator. To find out more about these models, click on the links below the highlights table. The first metric shows you the total amount of waste diverted from landfills, which corresponds to the total machine utilization for the reporting time period for the locations that you selected in your drop-downs. The next metric shows the equivalent landfill volume that waste would have taken up in a landfill. The remainder metrics are calculated using greenhouse gas models and equations from the EPA, and show a variety of sequestration metrics and equivalencies driven by digester usage, and basically by not placing your waste into a landfill. To learn more about any individual metric, click the blue circle with the letter I. BioHitech Cloud gives you easy and reliable tools to authoritatively state and qualify your eco-contributions by using the EcoSafe digester.